Tonight is special not because it's not only the culmination of our year, but also a celebrations of who we are as a family in public service. Throughout the 2025, we work hard, delivered beyond expectations, strengthened partnership, and continue to uphold the values of excellence, wellness, and unity in everything we do. A simple movement breaks, done together with energy and joy. Reminded that wellness is not a luxury, it is necessity. By taking care of our people, we strengthen our capacity to take care of the public we serve.
We have achieved so much in time, and we have been here and gained a lot of to our organization as well as to ourselves too. Let us stay true to our mandates. Let us stay connected. Let us continue to show kindness, and most importantly, let us continue one another to support one another in our common journey towards 2026 and beyond.
As we close this 2025 and welcome a new chapter, may we carry forward the same passion, professionalism, and heart of a public service.